So I'm hanging out this morning, drinking my lemon ginger water, looking around, and I remember that I set a trap last night for gnats because I've had gnats for some reason over the last couple days hovering all around and I can't figure out what they're after. So I set a trap for them. My cats are fighting right now, so I set a trap for them and look how good it worked. Check it out. I don't know if you can see, but there are so many, what the heck? Why were there so many gnats? But so what I did is I just cut a circle on a paper. I saw someone else do this, so, and then I put a slit in it. I taped it, put a little hole so when they go in, they can't get back out. You can see some of them are trapped in there. Maybe you can't really see. Well, you can see a couple, I think. They're trapped and then they end up falling into the apple cider vinegar that has a little bit of dish soap and some maple syrup. Or no, actually, what did I put in there? Agave. I put agave in there, which is the same as sugar or maple syrup, whatever. So if you ever have this issue, here you go. It worked.